Hi guys, so let's set up this DJI OSMO gimbal. It comes as like this. So number one, you have to open this way. You see, then you have to attach this magnetic clamp. I can see a dot here to the dot seen in the gimbal magnet. You have to so it gets locked up nicely. And there's a button behind. I'll tell the function slowly. There's a zoom in button, the Type C charging cable. This is the power button. It's on the power. The power is on. You see, now if you press the button at back twice, it will adjust. And this is mode. This is the record button. The record button. And yeah, so this is the mode. As there is no phone connected, it is not detecting. Let me connect it. My old phone to this. So this is my old phone. I'll show how to fix this. The camera is up. Camera is facing up, and this you have to fix it in such a way, okay, so that no buttons are held or tight getting pressed, right? So you can see the dot here, so you have to place this dot along with this, and this gets strongly connected. Now, so now if I press the back button twice, you can see the phone became a straight way. So now access this one. Now if I use this joystick, I'll be able to move it in whichever axis we want. So press this M button here once. So you press this button down, so it will rotate, and you can record in horizontal G2. You see the axis you can move. Stability too. Press the rotation button here, so it will change over. So zoom in out. So press this M button for 2 seconds. The gimbal gets switched off and turns the other way. Now slowly unclamp this, and this is the procedure to fold this, okay, so that it gets locked here, here, right, and open this so that the upper arm of the gimbal gets locked in this groove, in this groove, this groove. So yeah, so it's now locked and it's compact. You can take this tripod stand and attach it like this over and press it on the surface. Thank you guys. More details will be in the description box and links also in the description box. Thank you.